So the cosine rule is great because it helps you find a missing side in a triangle and also a missing angle in a triangle, even when it's not a right angle triangle. The cosine rule is c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c, or you can rearrange it and write it as cos c equals a squared plus b squared minus c squared over 2ab. The main thing to keep in mind here is that the side A is always opposite the angle A, the side B is always opposite the angle B, and the side C is always opposite the angle C. Now, you can use this to find a missing side, especially if you know two sides and an angle between them. So if you knew A, B, and the angle C, and none of the other information, you can use that to find the side C. Alternatively, if you knew all the three sides, C, A, and B, and didn't know any of the angles, you could use that to find a missing angle. So it lets you do that, which is a bit more useful than the sine rule, for which you do need to know either two sides and an angle or two angles and a side. So let's look at an example. Use the cosine rule to find the length of AB. So length of AB is this here, which is, because it's opposite the angle C, I'm going to label it C. And so let's use our cosine formula, which is c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos of c. So c squared equals, this is our angle A, so this is the side opposite A. This is our angle B, so this is the side B, which is opposite that. So a squared is going to be 4 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times 4 times 6 cos of 20 degrees, as that's our angle C. Let's simplify this. So to find cos 20, make sure your calculator is in degrees, as our angle here is given in degrees. So to get C, we need to do square root of this number here. And that's going to be 2.6322 decimal places. Is 2.63 kilometers to 2 decimal places. Problem 2. Use the cosine rule to find the angle theta. So we can see that angle theta is angle C. So we can use a rearranged formula this time, which is cos C equals a squared plus b squared minus c squared all over 2ab. So in this case, our b is 10, our a is 5, and our c, the side length, is 8. So let's sub all that in. So cos theta, which is our angle C, is going to be 5 squared plus 10 squared minus 8 squared all over 2 times 5 times 10. So let's put that in our calculator and we get cos theta equals. So we get 61 over 100. Let's do cos inverse of the fraction to get the angle theta. Now remember to have your calculator in degrees, as we're going to answer in degrees. And we get theta equals 52.41 degrees to 2 decimal places. So just a quick summary. The cosine rule for an angle ABC is c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c. So you can use that to find a missing side when you know the other two sides and the angle between them. So when you know SAS. Or you can also use the cosine rule rearranged to find a missing angle if you know all the 3 sides